what's up YouTube? My name's Burton-Smith. You are the subscribers. Subscribe and turn the notifications on and drop a like on the video. Right now it's Bonfire night, so I'm filming a video of things. I need my sparkler lit. Okay. My sparkler. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. I'm going to have such a fun time looking at the fireworks and playing with this thing, sparkler. Comment down below, because we're doing a giveaway, so comment down below if you want a PS4 gift card worth 50 quid. Comment down below and turn the notifications on and drop a like on this video. Also subscribe and comment down below you've completed the stats. Okay, and look at this thing, it's just weird. It's really
Mine's just run out.
It's setting like my finger on fire. Look, I'm having such a fun time. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but yeah. So it's a bit windy. Look at my dog right here. She is massive. I don't know if you can see her. She's there. She just ran off. Yeah, so right now I'm in my garden. I'm gonna film this on my new channel. I forgot the name of it, but just make sure to like and subscribe to Harley Burton-Smith the channel and Maxie Burton-Smith the channel. Wait, I'm first. I'm first, Mum. I'm first with my fireworks.
Where's my one?
Okay, I'm just running outside to get my fireworks. I'm first with my fireworks.
Where's my one?
Wait, Bum's not done mine first.
Racy.
So, I'm just sorting out my fireworks. Look at these, they've got, I don't think you can see them. They've got cows on them and little pigs on them. They're gonna shoot. Watch this right now. Look at that. That was so good.
Right, why are people messing about with these fireworks?
Make sure to subscribe to my brother's channel. Maxie, get off my firework. It's Maxie Burton-Smith, and if you'd like to 1v1 me on Fortnite, there's what I play on. I don't know. I play in there. But if you want to 1v1 me, just let me know your name. Whoa, look at that firework. That's my firework. That was sick. If you want to 1v1 me, just let me know in the comments your gamer tag, and yeah. Don't forget to put in the comments I've completed the stats. I said that like 100 times, but still, don't forget. This is another one of my fireworks. It's going. It's going. Whoa! That was so good.
Mine's next.
No, mine's still not big.
My one's next.
No, mine is.
No, this is my one.
Oh, okay. Can I do mine after, Bob?
You wanna go in?
Okay, my dog is going mental over the fireworks. I'm just gonna look at her. Actually going mental, jumping everywhere.
Well, I'll just hold it when I open door. I'll hold when I open
my
door.
dog is coming out in a minute and she's going to go nuts about the fireworks. She's like, yeah, so this isn't all of the videos, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. Like if tomorrow you want a Nerf gun Farm Game 2.0 with a Nerf rival, snipers. Just drop a like on the video if you want it. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my brother's channel. I'm just going inside right now. I would use this rhino gun. That's the video, guys. See you next video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. Bye.